Yo, what's up guys? It's Major from Ada's Dream, and today we are going to be discussing the top 5 candle fragrances that you need to get ASAP to elevate your candle business. Let's go. Okay guys, we back again, Major from Ada's Dream, and today I'm about to give you guys the top 5 candle fragrances that you need to get for your candle business. But before we do, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button so I can keep bringing you guys awesome content for the channel, and you could be alerted every time I upload a candle video to help your business. Let's get into it. Okay, first up on our list, the ever popular Vanilla Bliss. This sweet and creamy aroma of vanilla creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. It's no wonder this fragrance is loved by so many, whether it's for the relaxation or setting the mood. Vanilla Bliss is a must-have in every candle collection, guys. Next up on our list is Fresh Linen. Imagine stepping into a room with the scent of freshly washed clothes hanging up in the air. That's exactly what Fresh Linen offers. It's the clean and crisp aroma instantly gives your space a sense of freshness and serenity. It's like bringing in the outdoors indoors. Moving on to number 3, we have Garden Escape. This fragrance transports you to a blooming garden filled with vibrant flowers and fresh greenery. It's perfect for the nature lovers who want to fill their homes with the beauty and tranquility of a spring garden. Garden Escape truly brings the outdoors in. The 4th best-selling fragrance is Citrus Burst. If you're looking for a zesty and uploading scent, look no further than Citrus Burst. It combines the refreshing notes of citrus fruits like lemon, orange, and grapefruit. It's like a burst of sunshine in every candle, guaranteed to brighten up any room and mood. Last but certainly not least, we have Cozy Fireplace. Picture yourself snuggled up by a crackling fire on a chilly evening. That's the feeling of a cozy fireplace brings to your home with its warm and inviting aroma. This fragrance creates a cozy ambience perfect for relaxation and unwinding after a long day. And there you have it, guys. The top 5 candle fragrances that sell like hotcakes. Whether you're a fan of sweet, clean, floral, zesty, or cozy scents, these options are sure to delight your senses and enhance any space. Let me know in the comments below which fragrance you can't wait to try, or if you have any other favorite candle scents, let me know. Thank you guys for tuning in. But before you check out, down to the link below and pick up my ebook that will help you elevate your candle business and increase the moolah, baby. So I thank you guys. Wait, before I let you go, candle safety first. I'm going to see you guys next time. Hit that like and subscribe button. See you later.